In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix a serious error occurred on YouTube app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so in most cases, when you experience this error, the first thing you're told is to help fix your YouTube app. Your settings have been reset. Go to settings to restore them. So the first thing we need to do is to restore this through our settings. For this, go to your phone and look for settings option, and here's mine. Now if you tap on settings, go to about phone, and from here look for this option, backup and restore. You can see under mine we have this option, automatic restore. So if this is turned off, you need to turn it on and turn on your data to restore your data. Now after you have turned it on, give it some few minutes, and now you should be able to use YouTube app without any issue. However, if this fails to work, then you need to go and troubleshoot your YouTube app by going to settings, and from settings look for apps, and under apps go to manage apps or all apps depending on your phone. From the list, search for YouTube and hit is. I'll tap on it, and the first thing you need to do is to go to force stop to stop any background activities that might be causing this issue. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache and okay, and finally clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your YouTube app and open it, everything should be up and running without any issue. But should this not fix your problem, then you want to check and see that you are not using any VPN or any security or proxy app on your phone. If you have any of this turned on, turn them off to fix your issue. In some cases, if this does not fix your problem, then you want to check and see if you have any update of your YouTube app. For that, go to Google Play Store or App Store and update your app. And once you have updated, now if you open your YouTube app, now your app should be running without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.